Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Updates. Today, we're diving into a brand new IPO that's creating quite a buzz in the market, Seagull India Limited. If you're looking for investment opportunities in the infrastructure sector, this video is a must-watch. Section 1, Company Overview. Seagull India Limited is a well-known name in the infrastructure construction industry, specializing in high-impact projects like elevated roads, flyovers, bridges, and highways. The company has established a strong presence across multiple states in India and is recognized for its expertise in executing complex structural projects. Section 2, IPO Details. Now, let's talk about the specifics of the IPO. Here are the key details you need to know. IPO Open Date, August 1, 2024. IPO Close Date, August 5, 2024. Price Band, 380 rupees to 401 rupees per share. Lot size, minimum of 37 shares. Total issue size, 1252.66 crore rupees. Listing, the shares will be listed on both BSE and NSE. Section 3, Why you should consider investing. So, why should you consider investing in Seagull India's IPO? Here are some compelling reasons. 1. Strong financial performance. Seagull India has shown consistent revenue growth and has maintained healthy profitability. The company's robust order book indicates a strong pipeline of future projects. 2. Industry growth. The infrastructure sector in India is on an upward trajectory, driven by government initiatives and increasing urbanization. This creates a significant growth opportunity for companies like Seagull India. 3. Valuation and comparisons. Compared to its peers, Seagull India's valuation metrics like PA, PB, and EBITDA suggest that this IPO could be a value buy, provided you're looking for long-term growth. Section 4, Risks to consider. Of course, every investment comes with its risks. For Seagull India, some of the key risks include execution risks. Delays or cost overruns in large-scale projects could impact profitability. Regulatory risks. Changes in government policies or regulations could affect project timelines and costs. Market competition. The infrastructure sector is highly competitive, with many players vying for the same projects. Section 5, Conclusion and Call to Action. In conclusion, Seagull India Limited's IPO presents a promising opportunity for investors looking to tap into the growth of India's infrastructure sector. However, doing your own research and considering the risks before making any investment decisions is crucial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Daily Updates for more updates on the latest IPOs and investment tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.